Can I get away with the bob, y'all? Asymmetrical bob.
No basic zone.
What's up, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below because we would love to touch 5K by the end of the year, and we want you to be a part of the journey. We want you to be a part of the process. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So it's time to let the braids go, y'all. It's time to let the braids go. I've had my braids in for a little over a month. I think I put them in on, I think I put these in July, like the end of July. It has to be like one of the last days of July. So today we're gonna cut them out. It's currently September 20th, so it's about to be 2 months now that I think about it. So yeah, I have my scissors here ready to chop stuff out, ready to chop it out. And my hair is pretty short. If you're new to the channel, I do have pretty short hair. I cut my hair maybe like 2 years ago, and I've been keeping it short for the longest. I recently decided that I wanted to start growing it, hence, you know, the box braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna put on some music so you guys could jam out, listen to, and watch me cut these out. I think I want to watch the Girlfriends as well. I've been binge watching Girlfriends. If you guys watch Girlfriends, let me know. If you recently started rewatching it, let me know what you're up to. I just like hit like episode 15 of season 1, so I'm still like getting into it, but I used to love Girlfriends when I was younger. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut these out. So I zoomed out a little bit. Let's go ahead. I don't even need this much, but I want to see how it looks as a bob first, so let's see. Can I get away with the bob, y'all? It's not a bob. It is. It's an asymmetrical, okay? It's an asymmetrical bob. This look good. Had I, like, you know how they burn the ends and put beads on it, probably get away with bob vibes. Comment down below right now if y'all liking the bob. Should I keep the bob? Let me know. Should I do the bob style another time? I don't know, but we gonna cut for real, because look, my hair is like right here, so I don't need all this. To be on YouTube, you really have to have no shame, because what is this? No shame. Don't make a meme out of me, please. Updates. Half of my head is out. If you guys ever watched The Wild Thornberrys, I don't remember what the character was named, but I look like him. He was the one that didn't speak English. I used to love that show. TBT. That was on Nickelodeon. Was that on Nickelodeon? I'm on the other side now. I officially finished half of my head. I should cut these a little shorter, but yeah, it's just updates showing you guys where we're at. I look crazy. She just looked at me and laughed. I thought she was going to say something funny, but she just looked at me and laughed. Y'all, I tried. I also updated my phone. Well, I updated my phone like 3 days ago, but I finally figured out how to do like the widgets and all that stuff. So I'll go ahead and put a little picture on the screen showing you guys how my phone looks. But it just looks cute. It's a lot of work. not gonna lie. Let me know if you guys have updated your phone and if you guys are going to be using the widgets and stuff like that. Turn on Girlfriends. I don't remember Girlfriends being so short. Like, the episodes are like 20 minutes long. I'm on episode 18, season 1. Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guess who is Bizak? So that's how my hair looks. I still have to comb it out. I'm gonna pre-poo it with some olive oil and probably some rosemary oil. I have to find some oils that I have. I'm gonna pre-poo it, then wash it, deep condition it and all that, and then I'll probably come back once that's all done to show you guys how everything looks. But I feel like I can slick it down. I used to wear my hair slicked down a lot, so I'm gonna see if I can slick it down for the week, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for the week after. So today is Sunday, September 20th, so I don't know. I'm gonna see, well, you guys will see what I end up doing with the hair, but this is how it looks right now. I need to comb it out, get the dirt out, wash it and all that stuff, girl. It's about to take a little time, because if you have natural hair, you know it's an all-day thing to wash the hair. Short, not short, it doesn't matter. It takes forever.
The very next evening.
Hey gang, so apart from the fact that I look like Einstein, hair update. So I washed my hair yesterday, as you guys saw. Well, you guys saw me deep conditioning it. I went ahead and blow dried it just a little bit. So today I'm actually going to get a wig installed. So I showed you guys this wig a few vlogs ago, I'm not going to be mentioning where I got the wig from because customer service was absolutely horrible. I would not recommend. 100% would not recommend. 10 out of 10 would not recommend, but the hair is actually really nice. So I'm gonna go and have a friend of mine's friend install, black owned business only. So I'll see you guys at her spot, but I did want to show you guys my hair real quick. I just finished blow drying it. My blow dryer doesn't have the comb attachment, but I did what I could, and this is what it looks like. So I'll see you guys at my next location. This is Sarah. She is getting me right. See you guys in a little bit. Back to being a baldy.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining
First we get the chocolate, then we get the touches.
up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey guys, so I'm back in my humble abode. I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, clearly feeling myself, period. I left here, my natural state came back in more of a natural state because this hair is mine, period. But no, but seriously, shout out to my sis Sarah for slaying this wig for me, and she moves. Okay, yeah, lucky I don't have a band because I'd have been saying that this whole vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like the new hair. Let me know your thoughts about the new hair down below. Yes, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Thanks so much for checking out today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my TWA, seeing me, you know, installing a new wig. And yeah, if you enjoyed, go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on your post notifications. And until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye.